do you ask? How do you ask, Elliot? Elliot, well, how do you ask?
Please. All right, come on. Is there like a trap door here?
It's just loose floorboards.
Oh, that's so
Yeah.
funny.
More wheels on the bus? Okay. Get ready. Get in your position.
Let's dance. Elliot, here.
Can you shake your knees? Shake your high knee. Shake your high knee. Elliot, you can't let out Maureen dance on her own.
Yeah, look at Elliot. Dance.
Go. There you go.
Dance, come on.
Yeah.
Come on, Elliot, let's do this. Elliot. Here. Here. Let's dance in a circle. Here. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Now, can you shake your rear end? Can you shake your hind?
Can you shake your high knee? Oh, Elliot, it's your favorite song.